Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying some gel polish that I purchased from Amazon. I'm going to do this on my short natural nails. I did just remove the dip nails that I did. I will link that video up above if you would like to see it. Okay, the brand that I did purchase is Gelin. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Now, I did have to purchase the top and base coat separately from the actual colors. They have included the directions for the top and base coat on the back of the box. And like I said, the colors had to be purchased separately from the top and base coat. The kit that I did buy, it comes with 6 different colors. First thing on top is just a coupon for a future purchase. Then it also comes with directions inside of the box, as well as on the back of the box. Okay, I am going to go ahead and swatch each color for you on this white sheet of paper. It does not come with shade names, only number colors on the top of all of the caps. And here are all of the colors for you. Comes with a lot of, I guess, kind of cool tone, kind of fall appropriate colors. But I'm going to go ahead and use that first gray shade because that's the one that I kind of like. For the application, we're going to need the base coat, the top coat, and your color of choice. Okay, like I said, my nails are already prepped. I'm going to use this UV lamp that I also purchased from Amazon. I will try to find it and link it down below for you. I'm just going to start off with the base coat on all of the nails, and then I am going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. Now it's time to go in with the color. The directions say for your first coat to be kind of thin, but this polish is kind of on the thick side, so it is kind of hard to make a thin coat. But I will go ahead and put the first layer, and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. So here are the nails after 2 coats of polish. Now it's time to go in with the top coat. I am going to also cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds, but I'm going to do 2 rounds of the curing just to make sure that the nails are completely dry. Okay, this is what we're looking like. They do look pretty awesome, if I have to say so myself. Now, this is supposed to be a no wipe top coat, but I feel the need to wipe them. So I'm just going to take this green alcohol and I'm just going to gently wipe off the top layer of the nails. They are completely dry. As a final step, and just to moisturize my cuticles, I'm just going to add some cuticle oil to the nails. All right, they look pretty good and they are completely dry. Just something simple that I can work out. I can go to the gym. I don't have to worry about any long nails getting in my way. So yeah, I really like this gel and I can't wait to try out more from the brand. I'm going to go ahead and just do my other hand off camera. Yeah, so here is the completed application. It was very easy, very simple. I had no problems with the gel hardening in my UV lamp. They are completely dry. I can take a shower, I can wash dishes, I can do anything, and my nails are going to be just fine. And if y'all would like to see more do-it-yourself nails on a budget, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on your way out. I would love to have you. Make sure you also tap the bell so you can get notifications when I upload any new videos. And go ahead and leave a comment down below if you've tried this brand. Let me know if you liked it, how it worked for you. Let's chit-chat about it in the comments. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.